Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start polynomial of class 9. It is the chapter number 2 of NCERT. Before starting exercise 2.1, let's get familiar with a few terms. So first we will understand what is the meaning by what you mean by polynomials. Poly means many. Many terms. Poly means many. Polynomials means which have many terms. So a polynomial is made up of algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is made up of a constant and variable. So this we call the algebraic expression. Now what is a constant? If we talk about constant is a value whose value doesn't change. So if I suppose I write 3, so 3 will remain 3. It is not going to be take a value as a 9, 10, anything else. Now variable, as the word tells, its value changes, its value vary. It can be 2, 3. So usually we denote by we don't represent it by a number. We represent by a small alphabets like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, or any small alphabets. Now what are terms? Suppose we take a combination of algebraic expression, combination by plus or minus sign. So suppose it is x square plus 2x plus 3. Now if I ask how many terms does this expression has, so we count like 1, 2, 3. The terms are separated by plus minus sign. So this expression has how many terms? These has 3 terms. Let's take one more example. Now suppose if I ask you what is how many terms this expression contains, the expression contains 2 terms. Okay, so the polynomial which have one term like 2 or 2x, these are called monomial. Which have 2 terms like example, these are called binomial. Which have 3 terms like are called trinomial, and which have more than 3 are called polynomials. And beside that, these monomial, binomial, trinomials are also called a polynomial. But when they are only 1, 2, 3, they are classified as monomial, binomial, trinomial. But in a general, they all are a polynomial. Now, what is coefficient? Let's suppose an expression. This is a polynomial of variable x. So if I ask what is the variable coefficient of x square in x square, so we have to check what is in the multiplication of x square. Here in the multiplication of x square, only 1 is there plus 1. So you will write only 1. Take one more example. If I say another example, and now they ask what is the coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is minus 1. See, here nothing is there, so 1 is there, because when we multiply 1 with any number, the result will remain same, and minus sign is there, so it will be minus 1. So it is a coefficient. So now these are the so in this way we will do the coefficient. It will be more clear once we will do a exercise. Now we will do about degree. Suppose we take a polynomial. Now this is a polynomial. They are asking to find the degree of this polynomial. To find the degree of this polynomial, this is a polynomial of variable x. So you have to find the highest degree of x. The highest degree of x is here 3. highest. So degree of this polynomial is 3. When we say take one more example. In this polynomial, if we ask the degree, so degree will be 4. Now